you cannot be a trader if you are blowing accounts. All right. On top of that, now for the rest of the month, right? Are there other events that are coming out, that will impact the rest of the market? Right now, it is flat. What do you guys think the sentiment is right now? So one of the things we can look at, right, fear and greed. The Feds raised the basis points to 75, right? Which we expected that, but the market still responded negatively. The fear and greed index. So, of course, extreme fear means that somebody's going to start buying now, while it's going down. But when it's going down, you don't know how far it's going to go. So for me, the best thing to do is the safest thing is when you find a base and it starts moving up, that is the best time to buy. When someone tries to buy the red or tries to buy the dip on the market, right? You don't know what dip they're buying, right? They're going long here. Maybe they went long here. Maybe they went long here. They went long here, and you're buying a knife, and you're not going to be exact. So a lot of times I'll wait, for at least, I said 2 hour, 4 hour. I want to see a couple of green on a 2 hour, 4 hour, even as a swing trader or a scalper, to see the market retrace, and then already have levels here, right? So that's just a way to minimize, the loss. A lot of new traders, they'll get in and they'll like, I'm buying the bottom, right? And they'll buy the bottom here, or they'll buy the bottom here, and it keeps going down. And then they're holding for a couple of months or a couple of weeks because, it didn't turn around in a time frame. So if you lose time in trading, you lose opportunity, right? So losing time and being in a trade that is down for weeks, it basically takes you out of the game, right? To get new trades or to make money when the market is easy. So I try to avoid, being down. So I have capital put back in the market, because if you're a trader, you want to have the freedom to get in and out. I don't want to be trapped, right? So a lot of traders, I'm just, saying that before FOMC, they'll play the direction, right? The direction that was trending up, and then before they'll exit. So that's something to, keep in mind, that, treat every trading day as a day to be profitable, right? And then try to minimize the gambling aspect, because that if you gamble and mess up, you may be out of the market for a couple of weeks or something, or you have to put more money in. You cannot be a trader with sustained losses. All right, so the rest of the market right now, we dropped on S&P. It has continued to drop. Even in the futures market, it lost to 3,800. Bitcoin, let's look at the chart on Bitcoin. 1,800 is a major support level. If Bitcoin drops 1,800, let's just take a look at it. Let's look at the week, right? This 1,800, the next time that it drops 1,800, right? I think it went down to 17.8, 17.5. The next major support is at 13,000, 12.7 level. All right. And it may not get there all in one swoop. Most likely it'll take a couple of weeks, but I think, the dip will be bought. But the sentiment is out there that, Bitcoin needs to go lower. None of the favorable things, the regulation, a lot of the sentiment is that it's an attack on crypto, attack on Bitcoin. They're looking for the Luna guy. They're going back. They're trying to get KYC, the exchanges, the stable coins. Bitcoin is the crypto market is under attack for control. Am I still bullish overall? Yeah, but it's time. right? It is time that we will lose. All right. So for the next couple of days, I want to make sure that we know going into September, when I spent a lot of time during the day, if I say I'm not trading, it's like, all right, well, I'm not just hanging out, working on the October, right? October Mastermind report. So I want to actually go through and kind of identify how we can minimize risks, right from the back. All right. So the Oracle breakdown, bullish, bearish, predictable days. If you were in the market and you were short during the swing period, we had this projected to be swinging downward from the 20th to the 25th. Today is the 21st. We will get bounces, but this entire period was a bearish, predictable time. So if you were just trading and you were going first to third, you're long, 13th, 17th, you're short, just trading those periods, we call these cycles, you had a pretty good opportunity to make money with, minimum trades using stops, right? So this is also a strategy for, getting into market, be able to use and not trade as much. A lot of guys are over trading, right? They're trying to trade every day and be perfect when you have a period of time where we have bullish and bearish predictable times where, it allows you to help you be profitable.